Deck the halls with a little holiday magic straight from nature. Today we're showing you how to use ingredients like nutmeg, oranges, cranberries, and rosemary to create that beautiful holiday decor that not only looks pretty, but smells good too. From homemade ornaments to gift toppers, craft up some festive ideas to share. Carly Wood is here from the Garden Spot, and she is here to share 3 ideas that use natural ingredients in a really beautiful, creative way. Welcome.
Thank you.
So good to have you. Okay, let's talk about the stuff you brought. Is this like straight out of your yard, your garden?
I mean, some of it is.
Okay.
The oranges aren't. Cinnamon sticks
You didn't
aren't.
grow the oranges in Utah, for sure.
But yes, a lot of it is. So a lot of it's just like natural ingredients you can find in your yard, good organic ingredients that add like that just little touch, you know, to your festive displays.
Woodsy, and it's like a woodsy, homey feel. Okay, so let's go through these ornaments. Okay. Let's start here with these beautiful, this adds like a pop of color too, the oranges.
Yes, isn't that fun? Okay, so for these ornaments, they're super simple. And I'm like, I have a dehydrator, and so that's how I do my oranges. But if you don't have one, like you can do them in the oven. But as what I do is I just take just a normal orange, and I just slice them like 1/4 of an inch thin.
Really thin.
And then these took about 24 hours in my dehydrator at 115 degrees, but you could do them in your oven too.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna take, this is a waxed thread that I have here, and I just took my little like sewing needle, and you just like
it can go
puncture a hole
through.
right through the orange. And I did 2 together because I thought that was kind of cute.
That is cute.
I mean, you could do oranges, you could do lemons, you could do grapefruit, just, you know, whatever you want. And then my cinnamon sticks were kind of long, so I just broke these into like halves or thirds.
And you just wrapped it around.
And I just wrapped it around, and then these are just like simple wooden beads that I just strung on there, and then.
And will these give off a scent?
I feel like they do these ones
a little bit.
These
The
are
cinnamon
from
for
last
sure.
year. Yeah, these are from last year, and like when I store them, I just put them all on like. What is
Can
that?
I be honest? I actually like them in a big bunch like this too.
I know, like they'd be super cute with like a garland or whatever. But
okay,
anyway,
love
so
that.
so you can store them from year to year. Like they hold up really. Great.
This is from last year, and they look great. Okay.
Yep. Okay, and then next, these are like little rosemary grapevine. I don't know, like little place card holders for your holiday table.
Yes.
And so is all I did. These are I think they're a 3-inch grapevine.
And you bought those?
Just bought these, yes. I did make some just really quick out of my yard, but if you don't want to make anything, you just grab the already done one. And then these are rosemary, which I just snipped off my plants, but
now,
you can use.
Yeah, so you just snip this rosemary right off your plant.
Yes,
you
so
can buy them like this too if you need to.
Yes, you could buy rosemary from like this grocery store. This is just like a juniper from outside in the yard. You would just like take it. I'm just going to.
And I feel like everyone has these trees.
Yeah, like any greens that you have. I mean, you could use like any sort of evergreen. And these.
That smelled good when you just
Isn't
snipped
that good? And these, I made like these last week, and I just stuck them in my fridge.
Okay.
So you can make them ahead of time if you want for your holiday tables. And then I just stick it in here. I don't know if they can see that. But
now talk to me about how you said if you want to make them yourself, what did you make this out of?
That's grapevine.
This is grapevine, okay.
And these were like, you know, a couple minutes.
How pretty that is.
But I'm like, and then same thing. You
just threaded the juniper.
You just cut off your grapevine, and then you just like make a loop, and then you just loop it back in on itself. Then just thread the juniper, and then I just took like the baker's twine and just tie a little ribbon here. I don't know if they are wanting me to show this,
cute.
but
yes. And then you hooked this cute little bell on it too.
Yes.
Tell me where you're using these.
Okay, so same thing. You could use these on a placemat. Like if you wanted something bigger, and like you could hang them on, like if you did a bigger one, you could hang on back of chairs. You could put them like underneath the base of a candle, just, you know, wherever you
Anywhere
think you need some
around candles.
Natural.
And these little grapevine wreaths that you picked up, do these come in a lot of different sizes?
Yes.
So then you could just go buy whatever size you want and embellish with stuff from your yard.
And I just did little because I thought, oh, that's kind of cute, like on your table.
You said you saved this rosemary one in your fridge. Do we need to refrigerate these so that they stay fresh?
I would, especially unless you're going to keep them outside where it's cool. But if it's inside in your warm house, they'll dry out faster. So if you want to like make them ahead and keep them for, you know, a week or so, I would just put them on your back patio where it's cool, or in your garage, or you can put them in the fridge.
I have little ones like these. Someone must have gifted me. Then I throw them on doorknobs. I just think it's so fun to have the little bell chime when you when you open the door.
Yes. And then like let's say like Christmas is coming, you can swap out your napkin color. I changed
the ribbon to have a little red.
And then, I mean, you could do with these bigger ones, like I have like these little
clip-on.
You could do like a cute little clip with their name you know, the options are endless.
So cute for Thanksgiving. Moving into, I like when things can transition into the next season, so it's not just one thing.
Okay, and then last is our simmer pots.
Oh, I love when people give me simmer pots.
Yes, well, and I'm like, I guess I'm old school because I always call them like stovetop potpourri.
Oh yeah, potpourri.
Simmer pots is cute. But anyways, so these are just little like food containers, and they're like lined for food. So when you put stuff in here, they're not gonna like melt out and seep into the cardboard.
Smart.
So these are super cute to gift.
Yes, and where are you sourcing those? Just online?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so pretend like these are cranberries.
I'll pretend.
Because I forgot my cranberries.
Okay.
So all you do is you're gonna add like about a cup of cranberries.
Real cranberries.
Yep, you can do fresh or frozen, whatever you want. So you would add like your cranberries to the bottom, and then I add probably about like 3 or 4 cinnamon sticks.
Where do you find the best place to get cinnamon? If it's like you're using it a
I don't
lot.
have my container out here. Costco has really big
Oh, they
containers of
do?
it.
Okay.
Or I mean online.
Okay.
You can get big containers. So then you just throw in a couple of your cinnamon sticks, and then this is just like a little cutie orange. Put that in there, and then you're gonna add, I bought these little bags because I was like, okay, this makes it super simple to put your little spices in.
Okay, so get the little baggies to put the concoction in.
Yes, so all this is nutmeg, and I do about like a teaspoon of nutmeg. So like about like that, and then same thing, I don't know, like a little dash of, these are whole cloves.
Right. Well, and what's fun with this is you can include that to make it easy for someone, but you can also just put instructions and let them use their own spices that they might have at home.
So then I just throw that in there, and then we're gonna wrap it up.
Yeah, that's a really cute way to gift it in that cute little box, and you put the cute ribbon around it.
So like on this one I showed like cute ribbon, there's all sorts. You can do twine or ribbon or anything. And then I add the same thing, added a bell. And then if you add this sprig of green to like any kind of green you have, you can go snip it from your yard. You can use rosemary, you can use juniper, you can use pine, and stick it on. When they put it into their simmer pot, you add that in.
Okay.
And it gives that good like piney smell.
And you're giving them cute little instructions too,
Yes.
right on the box.
Yes, so I just printed these little labels that says like what to do. Add water, throw it all into your pan. You slice the little clementine up and then add water. So, and I just stuck it on there so they know what to do.
I mean, that is a fantastic gift for anybody, teachers, neighbors,
Yeah.
anybody. And I love adding the natural elements. I just think it makes it extra special.
Yeah.
It looks like you didn't just pick it up, at the dollar store.
Yeah, yes. And it's like, it's not a treat. Like sometimes you feel like you get sick of like a treat around the holidays where you're like, okay, I can use something and make my house smell good instead.
Yes. How can we are you offering us this instructions? We would
could,
love it
yes.
because I think that that's so neat that you did it on the stickers, or if you did it on, you could make it a tag too, either way.
Yeah, either way, because I thought a tag would be cute. You could just tie it on with your ribbon. I just stuck the sticker on. But yes.
Simmer pots. Oh, it's 3 great ideas for us, and people have lots of questions for you, and you have lots of ideas for us online.
Yes, so I am the garden spot on like Instagram, Facebook, like that. And you can find like my websites all linked from there. So
Gardens, they're good year round.
they are. See, we can still be using our gardens now.
Thanks, Carly.